I made 2 variations of the Loren bag. Although small, it is very roomy. The ears prevent the gusset from warping and protect the inside content of the bag. I already lined the leather to achieve 5 ounces, 2 mm, in thickness. I used 3 ounces, 1.2 mm, Crazy Horse and 2 ounces, 0.8 mm, pigskin. This is how it looks like after I lined them. You see the consistency the leather has after lining. I cut the leather larger than the pattern, as I will make a final cut, to obtain smooth edges. This is the first iteration of the bag. You will see that I made quite few changes to it on the second variant. The biggest change were on the gusset, and the front pockets. I use a silver pen, to draw the pattern for the final cut. The benefit of this pen is that its markings can be erased. Before stitching the gussets, I prepare them. I make a groove near the line of holes, like so. I only skive the edges, that are to be stitched on the front pocket. I fold the other side with the fingers, like so. Because of the groove, the edge folds easily. I then fold with a plier. Because I fold the edges, the stitching on the front panel will be easier, and will look better. I fold this edge only with my fingers. I use an awl to keep the gusset in place while stitching. I always keep near a cloth, to remove very quickly the possible stains. I already made a groove on the edges, so I can fold it easily like so. This is the first variant of the gusset. I am not happy how it turned out, so I will not show how I make it. The issue I had with this gusset is that it is too wide. So instead I will make another gusset for the green Loren. The pattern for the brown Loren contains the second gusset from the green Loren. But here I will show how the gusset is stitched. I prepare the gusset the same as the one for the front pockets. I groove the edge prior folding. I use an awl to keep the gusset and the front panel together. I stitch the gusset on the back panel. I scratch the leather for better adherence of the glue. I use sandpaper as it is very efficient and very cheap. I will round the edges using this as guidance. I mark with a wing divider the line on which the holes will be punched. The holes are already on the pattern. This is how it looks like. I will show how I made the shoulder straps for the second Loren bag. This variant will have a single front pocket. I already punched the holes. They correspond with the holes on the pocket. This is the strap for the buckles on the front pocket. The pocket will be stitched the same as the ones on the first Loren bag. The holes are on the pattern. This is the gusset for both variants of the Loren bag. I will make some ears. They will add rigidity to the gusset. I will stitch the two pieces together. First I stitch the ear and then the D-ring strap. I will stitch this strap on the gusset. I align the holes with an awl. The glue is very useful in this type of situations, as it aligns the holes and keeps the parts together. I love how it turned out. I hope you like them both.